SoFi Technologies stock dropped to a new low today, August 5th, and we detected an unusual trade that we will be analyzing in this video to find out if SoFi stock will crash down lower. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, 103,269 contracts and 68,846 contracts being traded at the same time, 10:37 at the 24-second mark for these August 16 options at the 6 strike puts and the 7 strike puts. And we can see the price that was being paid over here, $18 for the 6 strike puts and $67 for the 7 strike puts. So let's take a deeper look at the chain to find out what this investor is possibly doing. We can see here at the 7 strike puts, 80,000 open interest, volume 76,000, and based on our analysis, they were taking profits and closing out of this trade and rolling to the 6 strike puts. And you can see here the new position, which we are also in. POS stands for position, green means buy, because we are also buying these put options. You can see here volume 117,000, much greater than the open interest. So these are opening trades. And as we had just pointed out in the options time and sales tape, they were buying these for $18 each. And so if we calculate the total trade cost, 18 times 103,269, we have a total of $1.8 million. Now, just because this is $1 million trade, this does not meet our threshold for a high probability of profit trade. Because for one thing, it is much higher risk because these options expire in just 11 days. So there is very high risk from the time decay. As you can see here, when we analyze these options that they bought for $18 each, which is what we also bought them for, you can see on the risk profile here, this is clearly a short bearish position, because you can see as the share price of SoFi goes down, these options increase in profits. But as we mentioned, very high risk, because we can see here we have a negative 1.57 theta, and what that means is by August 16, when these options expire, they need to be lower than right here where the 0 line meets the blue line. Okay, this is where the break even is at expiration on August 16. Okay, $5.82 for these options to be profitable. And $5.82, let's take a look at how far SoFi would have to drop to make it to 582. So it's currently right about here at 650, and so 580 would be another 10% down, okay, making a new low. So for this to happen, is it possible? Perhaps, because we are in a major market correction or possibly a market crash. So anything can happen. So let us know in the comments below, what do you think will happen to SoFi Technologies? Do you think it will continue to drop down further, or will there be dip buying and the stock will come back up? And as we mentioned earlier, this is a higher risk trade. So if you want access to the lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where we share the stocks that the wealthy investors are trading and option strategies, including stop losses if you only trade stocks, to reduce risk while increasing profits. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.